Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own Telegram bot without writing a single line of code. But before we continue, use few seconds to click on the subscribe button and don't forget the bell button too. Thanks. You'll be able to create your own responsive Telegram bot with awesome and cool features. So let me show you how. Open Telegram app. Now, first of all, you need to search for Menu Builder bot. Okay, here is it. Click on Start. Now, to create your home bot, click on Manage Bot. Click on Add Menu Bot. Now, in order to create a new bot, you need to go to @botfather and create a new bot, and a API token key will be generated for you, which you will need to create your bot here. So, @botfather is the father of all bots. Enter the command /new bot. Now, give your bot a name. Now, a username for your bot. The username must end with bot like this. So let's say so let's check this out. Oh, sorry, this name has been taken already. Good. Now, done. Congratulations on your new bot. So now our bot has been created. So here is the API token key. With this key, anybody can access your bot. So you need to keep it very well. So tap on it to copy it, and our bot can be found at t.me/digital tutorials bot. So this is the bot I created just now. So now let's go back to Menu Builder bot. Now we need to reply with the API token that we copy from botfather. Now our bot has been added to the Menu Builder bot system. Now to continue creating our bot, we need to go back to the bot and send /start again. Now our bot has been added successfully. So we can now customize our bot to whatever we want. To add button to your bot, click on button editor and click on add button. Give your button a name. Now our button has been created. We can edit this button like adding message and so much more to it. So after adding your button, click on stop editor. So we can also add message to this button. To add message, click on post editor. Click on the button you want to add message to and click on add message. You can also add question. Question is for getting feedback from user, like maybe you ask a question and the user need to provide an answer for you, or and so click on add message and reply with your message. So our message has been added successfully. We can delete this message by clicking on delete button, and we can replace this message with another text by clicking on replace button. So after adding your text, click on stop editor. Now there are some cool things that you can do, like you can do more with this bot. You can add more button. You can add button under button. Like if you want to add another button under this first button, click on button editor, click on the button again, click on it again. Now click on add button. Now this button will have been added under the first button. So click on stop editor. So go to main menu. So this is the first button I added. I click on it, and the button I added under it is showing. This is it, button under button. So I can also add another message to this button under button message to this button. So to add message to a button, you need to click on post editor and click on the button you want to add message to, and that's it. So there are some more cool things, a lot of more cool things that you can do with this, like to show, like if you are creating a bot that deal with money or balance, that will be showing like user balance or something like that. You can show user balance with this macros. In this bots, what is called macros is like symbols that are used to like they are used to show some things like balance, referral link, number of referrals, and so on like that. So to generate user balance, click on this percent balance. So this macros is for you showing user balance. Any place that you show this, it will be showing the user's balance in that message. The next macros is for referral link. So this macros is for showing the referral link. So the next macros is for showing users number of referrals, like the number of person that the user has invited to the bot. So this is ref count. So another one is for showing the user first name. So the first one is for showing balance, second one for showing the referral link, the third one for showing the number of referrals, and the last one for showing the user first name. So anywhere you add this message to this macros, it will be showing the user's balance. This one for showing the user's referral link, referral count, and the first name. So let me show you. So click on post editor. So this is the message I added for. Let's see the message for the first button. Let's add the balance macros to it. So this is going to show the user's balance. This macros is going to show the user balance, like this is user balance, and this macros will be replaced with the balance of the user. You can add your own currency, let's say dollars. So that's it. So let's check it out. So you see, the macros has been replaced with the user balance. That is $0. I have nothing in my balance. So this balance you can edit it, like you can edit each user's balance using this balance button here. Click on change and enter the user ID or forward the message from the user. So let me get my own ID. So this bot can help me to get my ID, and this is my ID. So I've got my ID. So I'll enter it here, and any amount I enter here will be added to my balance. Let's say 100. So this is it. You see the balance has changed. So that's how to change user's balance. You can also use negative to decrease the user balance. So let me show you how to use the next macros. So the macros for showing the user's referral link, let's add it to this button, other button. Click on add message. Be sent ref link. This will be showing the user's referral link. So the referral link has been added, and the macros for showing the number of users invited has also been added. So let's see it. See, this is my referral link that the bot generated, and you are invited 0. You see, this is the number of people I invited. So if I start inviting people with my link now, it will be increasing. So to change the amount that user will earn for each person they invite, click on balance and referral bonus. Then add an amount, maybe 1. So that's the amount that they will earn for every user they invite. So another thing is for you want to broadcast message to all your users. Click on admin and click on mailing. Like you want to send message to all your users. So click on add message and enter your message. This is so save message and click on finish preparation and then send. So the mailing has been complete because we have only one user, which is me. If you have a lot of users, the mailing will take some time to complete. So that's it. And you can also send a message for stats, like when a new user starts a bot, the message they will get first. You can set it here. Click on save message, and that's it. Every new user that starts this bot will be getting this message: welcome to my bot. So There are lots more you can do with this bot, like add more features depending on how you want it. So, and I won't be able to mention everything you can do and show you how to do it in this bot, but I will give you where you will learn it. So search for menu builder support, menu builder app. So this is it. With this bot, you'll be able to learn how to use this menu builder to build amazing bot. Select your language, and there are a lot of tutorials here. And they also have a group where you can ask questions, which is menu builder official chat. And this is it. Oh, this is a group. So the menu builder, so from this menu builder bot, you can also ask questions from their group. They have a group where you can ask questions, and to join the group, click on our channels group and bot, and this is the group. This is a link to the group for Russians and English. Click on it, and this is our group. You can ask questions. If something is not clear to you, you can ask questions from here. So I hope you have learned something in this video, and if you really enjoyed this video, please click on the like button, and if you have not subscribed before, please subscribe now. Thanks.